Hi, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi, and today I'm going to show you how to grow cilantro from coriander seeds. So there is this confusion between cilantro and coriander. So actually the seeds are called coriander and the plants or the fresh leaves, they are called cilantro. In Hindi, although, they are both called dhaniya. So these are dhaniya seeds and that fresh leaves, they are called dhaniya leaves. Okay. So here are some coriander seeds that I bought from store. I crushed them with my fingers because every single pod of these, they have two seeds inside. So when you crush them, they get divided into two parts and then both the seeds are exposed to moisture and it helps in germination. And then I soaked it overnight. Basically, this whole process is to improve the germination. And about half an hour ago, I spread them on a paper towel like this so that excess water is removed, and when I scatter it on the soil, they don't get stuck. So here I have a terracotta pot. It has good drainage at the bottom. It has good potting soil mix. So I'm going to just take these seeds and scatter on top of this. And then I'm going to cover it with about half an inch or maybe quarter of an inch soil. So this way the seeds stay moist and warm in the soil. So they are now covered with soil. I'm going to water it now. So the bottom soil was already wet and this one is dry, so it doesn't need too much of water, just enough water to make this top soil wet. So that should be sufficient. And if some of the seeds show up because the soil settled down, you can just push them down and cover lightly with the soil. And that's about it. So 15 days have passed and many coriander seeds have germinated, as you can see. They started germinating in 10 days and in last 5 days many more germinated and they are still germinating. So after planting the seeds, we covered the planter in plastic sheet and put it in a shaded area, so which kept the moisture and the warmth inside, and it just helps in germination. But now that the seedlings are up there, we are going to put it in an area where it gets some sunlight, preferably the morning sunlight. So here is how our cilantro seedlings look like after 3 weeks of planting the seeds. So you can see that many of the seeds have germinated, and now we have actually kept it in an area where they get about 2-3 hours of morning light, so they are becoming stronger now. So our cilantro is doing very well. It's been 5 weeks and almost all the plants are 4 to 5 inches tall. So we can start harvesting them. When harvesting, remember that you should always leave some of the leaves at the bottom. Meaning don't cut out every single leaf because otherwise the plant will die. Plant needs the leaves to produce energy. And use sharp scissors so that the plant is not hurt. And you should harvest at least once a week because otherwise the plant will start bolting, meaning it will start generating flowers, and after which it will just stop growing. So I hope this inspires you to grow your own cilantro plants because it's really easy to grow. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.